The tech world is buzzing with anticipation as Apple gears up to unveil the revolutionary iPhone 17 Air, a stunningly sleek smartphone that is set to transform the flagship market. Replacing the iPhone 17 Plus, the Air model is rumored to be the slimmest iPhone ever, with an astonishing thickness of just 5.65 millimeters. This bold design leap aims to combine portability with cutting-edge features, sparking immense curiosity among Apple enthusiasts. Design leaks ignite excitement. Early leaks and dummy models have sent shockwaves through the tech community, hinting at a bold new direction for the iPhone 17 Air. Notable insider Sam Cole from Apple Track has shared mock-ups of the entire iPhone 17 series, but the Air's razor-thin chassis is the true showstopper. It sharply contrasts the Pro and Pro Max models, which are expected to feature larger camera bars. The Air's minimalist, ultra-slim design is already setting a new standard for elegance. Revolutionary form meets durability questions. While the slim profile has won admirers, some are questioning the trade-offs. Can Apple deliver durability in a frame this thin? Early prototypes even hint at structural challenges, sparking a debate about whether Apple might prioritize aesthetics over function. Still, anticipation runs high for Apple's innovative solutions to balance form and strength. Camera and hardware innovations. The iPhone 17 Air is rumored to introduce a pill-shaped rear camera housing with a matte finish and single-lens setup. On the hardware side, whispers point to the inclusion of Apple's next-gen A19 chip, 12GB RAM, and a dynamic island-compatible 6.9-inch LTPO OLED display. Further fueling intrigue, Apple might fully embrace eSIM by eliminating the SIM tray, taking another step toward a streamlined future. Unmatched portability and style. This could be Apple's boldest design overhaul yet, targeting users who value sleekness and portability above all else. With features like a 48MP main camera and 24MP selfie shooter, the Air promises to balance aesthetics with performance, keeping photography enthusiasts happy. Tech fans can expect more details at Apple's much-anticipated September keynote event.